Mira, Miranda.
There that day.
Vamos a ver los delfines. Okay.
Oh, come here. Atlas, don't grab her like that. Okay. I'm watching her. It's okay. I can see her. One and done again. I mean, it's good day.
Lincoln Park. Oh. We went with
Don't fall off Olga. That's a big climb.
Yeah. She's like, hey, I feel
very
very tight. Oh, where were you? Oh, they're so cute. I think they know that the other type of seals are right there.
People when they come out of the water that are really fast.
Carter touched me.